Welcome to DeFi Crypto Today. Our topic today is Raydium on the Solana network. So, what's Raydium? Well, Raydium allows you to swap and earn yield and interest and all kinds of good stuff. Okay. This is the main page. We can see that they have $1.7 billion in total value locked at the moment. And they have a pretty big trading volume, 17 billion. So it's quite nice. You can trade, get some yield, create some liquidity, put tokens in pools. You have an accelerator. If you have a new project, it can help you raise funds. And they also have another thing for NFT projects. Quick look at all this stuff. Okay. They claim to have the best price for swaps, so if you need to do some swapping, it might be a good idea to check it out. Okay. And they're partnering with Solana and Serum. We're not quite surprised by that. Okay. Where do they stand? They're at position number 3. In the top DeFi projects on Solana at the moment. Okay, you can see, and they've been doing pretty well recently. It's going up and up and up. A little bit of a downturn here, but that's normal because of the Solana crash that happened a few days ago. But they seem to be back on track. Now, if we look inside, let's go back to the beginning. Let's go to swapping. So you need to connect with a Solana compatible wallet. What I like to use is Phantom, which looks like this. Okay, so use Phantom, and you can swap your tokens here, like basically like Uniswap does, if you're familiar with Uniswap. Okay, you can create liquidity pairs, you can put your LP tokens in the pools and earn some interest here. Nothing crazy, normal kind of stuff. Okay, these are pretty popular, 260 million and so on, so you know. And you have farms, if you want to make a little bit more money. Okay, you can deposit on your farm. Got the staking if you want to stake your Ray tokens. These are the accelerators. So they had all these projects recently, they all finished already. But if you're looking to invest in new project, that's a nice place to check it out. And they've got the Dropzone, which is for NFT projects. So they had the Cyber Samurai project, and they were sold in like 5 minutes, I think. And it was 3 sold per Dropbox. Not cheap, but anyway, it was very successful nevertheless. So they sold 5,000 of them. So then what about my favorite topic, audits? Well, has Raydium been audited? Not yet. They're in process of a security audit by Kubilski Security. Okay, so it's coming soon, hopefully, and hopefully if there are any bugs, they're going to find them and fix them before anything bad happens. Okay, so I like the idea that they are in the process of getting a security audit. It's better than some protocols that say security audit. What is that? But this still means we're still in beta. Okay, as far as I'm concerned. So I like Raydium. I like using the swap feature mostly. That's what I've been using it for mostly in my case, because the swap works well. It's very fast. Doesn't cost too much gas because we're on Solana, so it's a fraction of a cent, which I love. And it's very fast. It takes a second, and you're being, it's done. You confirm in Phantom, and the next couple of seconds you see the confirmation around here at the bottom. It looks very solid, in my opinion, but I like audits. I want to make sure that, you know, another set of eyes has checked the code, because I cannot check the code myself. I'm not a programmer, okay? And just trusting the word of the programmer is not good enough for me. It's my money, okay? I do what I want. So again, use common sense, okay? As I always say, don't put your whole portfolio on a single project because you think it's fantastic, okay? Diversify, put a little bit here, a little bit there, and so on, just in case something bad happens to protocol. Even if it's audited, hackers can get in the system and they could steal the money, steal the tokens, okay? So it's always possible. And maybe it's not that, maybe the system crashes for whatever reason, or whatever. Bad things can happen, like we had the crash on Solana, for instance. So if you had all your money on Solana and you were stuck for 17 hours without access to your funds, okay? So don't put everything on Solana, although I think Solana is very solid and has a very bright future, as a very, very strong competitor to, you know who, Ethereum. So far it's one of my favorite blockchains. Okay, it's right there at the top of my list. Okay, so that's it for Raydium. It's not a very complicated protocol. Okay, it looks very good to me. The swap feature is fantastic. The pools look nice. The farms and all that stuff look perfect. Check it out. So if you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. Ring at the bell to know when I put up new videos. And don't forget my free book. It's free. It gives you an idea of my low risk crypto strategies. And if you don't like it free, well, go on Amazon and give them $5.99 so that they can give me $1 later. All right, that's it. Okay, bye.